Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we are going to do something different, a question and answers video. These are real questions that you, the subscribers, have asked or that appears very frequently. So let us go straight into it. If I connect my smartwatch and it does not turn on after 10 minutes, should I be worried? It depends. If the watch has been discharged for a long time, for example weeks or a month, it is normal for it to take time to respond, so however, if you were using it normally and suddenly it does not turn on and you also notice that it gets hot, it is a bad sign. So it could be an internal failure for sure. And that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.